Hey Maddie, I wanted to go through some of the, things that you're missing or try to help you, with Canvas a little bit. I waited on the Zoom call until about 9:40 and you never showed up, so I was going to try to help you there. But so let me walk you through Canvas. First off, so I did receive the assignment that we did on Friday, the context clues slides. You have now sent that to me twice. That is great. Now I know that you know how to submit in Canvas. But what I am missing is what you did yesterday. That was the one that I sent the email about. And so first off, I want to make sure that you understand that A day or B day, whichever one, whether we're live or not live, you will always have a link from me on Canvas. The other thing that I would like to stress is I really think that your life would be a little bit easier if you made it to the Zoom calls, because most of what we do is discussion-based, peer-based, and I really think that you would get a lot of benefit from being able to work through these with your peers. So I highly recommend that you come to, in addition to hearing me explain it. So I really think you should be coming to the Zoom calls, which, by the way, on your, let me go to that. So on your class, you will see the buttons for Zoom on the left. Okay, so when you click Zoom, it will give you the option to join. See, well, it says start for me because I'm the one who starts them, but for you, it'll say join. Okay, so let's go back to your Canvas calendar and let me explain this a little bit. Okay, so your mom kind of mentioned that you were kind of getting overwhelmed with your calendar, which I totally get, which is why I only give you one link per day. So what I would like to recommend, see, I know that your calendar looks more like this, but all I did was use my buttons on the right side to unclick some of my classes. You can do the same thing. So if you want to just focus on reading, then only click reading. If you just want to focus on social studies, then just click social studies, unclick the others. Okay, so this is what I'm missing from you. It's from yesterday, and you did it by yourself. So I want to stress that you actually have to click on the link into the assignment in order for to be able to see all of it. See, you will not be able to click next if you're just looking at it right like this on the preview page. Okay, and also this is the most important step. If you are not clicking next in the modules, which I stress in the Zoom calls, another reason why I really recommend that you be there. If you're not clicking next, then you're missing half of my assignments. Okay, so if we look at this one, this is the one that was for yesterday. Okay, so I'm trying to provide you with skills that will make you successful in middle school, not just my class. That's why I'm trying to teach you how to share documents in Google, how to submit assignments in Canvas, how to bookmark pages, and also, if you were in the Zoom calls, every single day I teach a tech tip. I've taught how to do screenshots. I've taught the 3-finger swipe. Today I'm teaching the side-by-side screen. So you're missing a lot more than just what's right here. I'm trying to help you guys learn your computers because I know what it's like. I've been doing this for several years. I know the transition phase. And it's much harder now with being straight up virtual and coming from an iPad. I know this. That's why I'm trying to help you guys with the computers. Okay, so back to the module. You actually have to click on the link. And again, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help remind you and teach you how to do things like check your email. You've got to be checking it every single day because this is how all of your teachers are going to communicate with you, especially right now during virtual, but we can't talk to you any other way. So you have to be checking your email every day, which is why I have these set up into the module. Also, last week you guys had a quiz over PowerSchool, and here's another reminder on how to check PowerSchool and that you need to be checking it often, okay, so that you can keep up with your own grades. All right, but it says here, you have to click next. You're not done. So you click next. Okay, so then it says to watch this entire video about context clues, and there are questions built into it as you watch it. And then you click next, again, which it said to do. And this is the one that I'm missing from you, okay? So this is the actual practice that you did, should have been yesterday, on Monday, using those skills that was talked about in the video. All right, I hope that this helps clarify some things. Email me, I guess, if you have any questions. Bye.